The head element contains metadata for a web page. It provides data that describes a page, but it is not displayed on the web page itself. We've already seen how adding the title tag within the head element specifies the title that appears in the browser's title bar or tab. Two other important elements that go in the head element are link and script. Link is used to specify a link to a style sheet that should be used for the page. The second half of this course explores style sheets and the style sheet language, CSS or cascading style sheets, in detail. For now, I'm going to add a link to a style sheet that provides some basic formatting. The link tag requires a couple of attributes. Rel is used to specify the relationship. Here, it's a style sheet we're linking to, so we give the attribute the value of style sheet. The other required attribute is the URL to the style sheet itself. We specify that with the href attribute. So if I save this page now, we can see the effect of adding the style sheet. Here's the before and here's the after. So we've added some simple formatting to the heading, changed the background style and changed the font. But we clearly have a lot more work to do to improve its appearance. Note that the link element should not be confused with the anchor element, or A. A is used to create hyperlinks. Link is used to link to a style sheet. For example, if I wanted to link the word Wales to the Wikipedia for Wales, I would use the A tag, the anchor tag. Script is most commonly used to add JavaScript to your page. JavaScript is a technology that makes web pages interactive. We're not covering JavaScript in this course, but as an example, let's add a simple script to our page. Open the script tag, and we're simply going to display an alert to say hello world. When I save that file, we get a pop-up message that says hello world. Script is more commonly used to link to separate JavaScript files. For example, I sometimes use a script called Photorama to generate a gallery of pictures. So I would include this script tag in my HTML. Script and then src to specify the source of the file. Note that script does need a closing tag when you're specifying a link to a JavaScript file. Some very old browsers may not support JavaScript, or the user may have disabled JavaScript. The NOSCRIPT tag can be used to provide content to users who have their scripts disabled. So I'm just going to display some text saying your browser has scripts disabled. Enable scripts to see these pictures as a gallery. So if I disable scripts in my browser, which you wouldn't want to do very often, I get the text that appears in the NoScript element.